Yes, today is day 19 of the live meditation experience. We have been meditating on a different theme every day. Today is for anger. So again, if you're feeling anger or just general discord or disillusion or frustration with a relationship, with a situation, with the entire world, hopefully this meditation will help you. And instead of doing the whole talk before, I'm going to get you right into meditation, right into your space, and tell you some stories and give you a good old-fashioned BEXLIFE mantra. So now I'd like to invite you to step over that energetic threshold that we talk about every day here into that space of peace and calm, that space that is going to support you and your practice for the next several minutes. Find your easy or comfortable seat wherever you are. Make sure that you are not holding on to any tension or creating new tension in this moment. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees or thighs, downturned or upturned to receive the energy around you. Sit up tall by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears like so. And exhaling by rolling your shoulder blades down along your spine. Again, inhale your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale and roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. With every exhale during this time in meditation, you're going to release just a little more tension, be it physical or energetic. Make that your intention and your practice. Inhale brings in good energy. Exhale releases tension. So on November 9th, 2016, I was getting ready to film the trailer for my book, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life. And I woke up to the news of the election results. And I cried, and I felt angry. And then I got into my car to pick up my videographer from the train. I was listening to public radio that broadcasts from Philadelphia or the University of Pennsylvania. And the radio host said something that really touched me. She said, "Our first reaction is valid. That feeling of anger, of despair, it should be recognized, not dismissed, not pushed aside. But in this moment, it's our duty to move past that first reaction and move into a space of love." I talked about that on that day in a live broadcast, and it continues to guide me. How can I look past my first reaction, the easy reaction, if you will, and move into that more difficult space, that space that requires work and effort and intention? How do I move into that space of love? And what does love mean? So love to me is still fierceness. It's strength, it's power, it's conviction. It's high ethical practice. It's dedication and adherence to my morals, my values. Love is protecting and fighting for my fellow man and woman. So the mantra I want to offer you today, if you're feeling angry about anything, about something that you've done or something that's happened to you, about a relationship, a situation, the news, apathy, I am transforming my anger into action for the highest good. I am transforming my anger into action for the highest good. I am transforming my anger into action for the highest good. Your anger is valid. It's an emotion that is speaking to you, but it's the one that shows up first. It's the one that takes little to no effort. See it, appreciate it, listen to it, and then inject intention, inject discipline, apply a higher purpose, and say, I am ready to take action for the higher good. I am strong enough to move past this first easy emotion and do the hard thing. Love doesn't always look nice. It doesn't look like puppies and rainbows, as someone commented in an earlier Facebook post about this meditation. Love is fierce and strong and powerful and intentional and courageous and confident and wise. Love is always connected to the highest good, the best course of action. It serves everyone, even if it calls out some people, even if it feels hard. Let's breathe into our mantra just 3 more times. I'll repeat it for you, and you take it in and accept it as your own and interpret it for yourself. What does anger look like to you? What does love look and feel like to you? And what action can you take for the highest good to move past that anger and into the space of love? Inhale. Exhale, release. I am transforming my anger into action for the highest good. Inhale. Release. I am transforming my anger into action for the highest good. One more time with intention and power. Inhale. I am transforming my anger into action for the highest good. Rest in your easy seat. Return to your breath. Allow each inhale and exhale, each breath cycle, to affirm your power and your purpose in this moment. Acknowledge all feelings and all sensations, dismissing nothing, pushing nothing down, but instead moving toward healing, toward love, toward higher purpose and best and good action. Send your attention to all physical sensations, returning to your body. Maybe wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe rocking in your seat a bit, back and forth, side to side. And preparing yourself with your next inhale and exhale to flutter your eyes open and return to your day. Inhale. Exhale, open your eyes. As I'm speaking the words, I hear the mental chit-chat going on in your head, the chitta vritti, the fluctuations of the mind that are getting in the way of your focus. I hear you saying, bullshit. I'm pissed off and I want to be. Good. Use that feeling. Use that anger, rage, movement, fire, to move you into a space of love and loving action. Use it. Don't dismiss it. Don't shame yourself for feeling it. Allow it to move you, to motivate you, to compel you to take higher and better and loving action. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for showing up for these meditations. We have 2 more left in this series, but we will be together beyond that point. I promise you, because I love doing this and I love showing up for you and I love how you show up for me. So 3 times affirming how much I love you and appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you. And I'll see you soon.